Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we're here at the ASUS booth at Computex 2023 at Taipei, Taiwan. And we got here one of their entry-level notebooks, the ASUS Vivobook GO 15 OLED. This is the most affordable laptop from ASUS with an OLED display. Where it's not yet available in the Philippines, but yeah, this is the Vivobook GO 15 OLED. And we got here the basic needs that we have on a notebook. It comes with an Intel Core i3 N305 processor. I'm not even sure yet how this one performs, but this one also comes with an up to 8 gigs of RAM DDR4 and an up to 512 gigs of SSD. So one thing that you might have noticed is that the color of the display is quite good for an entry-level laptop. This is an affordable laptop because this one comes with a Full HD OLED display. It also comes with a 500 nits brightness. I'm actually pretty surprised with how bright this one is, and the black is really black with the OLED display. It's Pantone validated. It comes with display HDR2 black 500. So basically the colors that we got in here is quite good. So it has all the features that you can expect on an affordable laptop. Basically, we got here a plastic shell, but I do like the colors that are available in here. So here are the available colors for the notebook, but I prefer to have the black one. But these are really cute colors. And yeah, you could see at the lid of the notebook, we got here the ASUS Vivobook branding over here. Go further and beyond. Really minimal the logo over here, and inside there we go, we got here the OLED display, again 15.6 inch. You can see that there are still some bezels over here. It's just an average screen to body ratio at 84%. Despite being an affordable laptop, this one comes with an ASUS webcam shield. Basically, it's a shutter here that you can use to cover your webcam if you're really worried about the privacy of your notebook. All right, so as for the keys over here, this one is pretty similar to most ASUS notebooks that we had a hands-on before. As you can see, the layout and the size of the keyboard is very similar to other ASUS notebooks, and the design over here is the one that we can expect on Vivobooks. As you have noticed, if you watched my previous videos before of ASUS Vivobooks, the branding or the design of Vivobooks that we had on the enter keys is very similar to this one. For the ports, we got here the USB-A over here, and on the other side, we got here the DC in, the HDMI, another USB 3.2. Unfortunately, it's USB-C only, no Thunderbolt 4, and then there's the headphone jack. There's no sight of SD card reader in here, but if you're into a basic laptop, this thing will do just fine. As expected, the keyboard response on this one is what we can expect on an affordable notebook from ASUS. It isn't the best one, but I'm really thankful that we still got here some numpad over here. The trackpad, however, doesn't have the largest size or the best size, and this one goes on up to 180-degree hinge. Unfortunately, there's no touchscreen on this one. Other things that you can also expect is that we got here the fast charging. It isn't USB-C, as you might have noticed. This one comes with a DC in over here. That's the fast charger, 60% in just 49 minutes. We also got here the fingerprint scanner, again the trackpad over here, and it also got some features like the AI noise cancelling, the Sonic Master, and the best part about it that is always underrated with ASUS laptops is it comes with a military grade durability. As for the thickness and the lightness of this one, it comes with a 17.9 millimeters thickness and 1.63 kilograms of weight. It isn't the thickness that we got on an entry-level notebook at it, but it is quite light. It's always thanks to the plastic material of the notebook. Again, there's the up to Wi-Fi 6E, and there's so much more to offer on this one, and I'm actually pretty curious about this one because this one is an affordable notebook, which is perfect for those people who are looking for an affordable laptop that they can use for school or for office, just for the basic stuff. And yet, we still got here an OLED display. I'm really happy to see that ASUS is offering an affordable laptop with an OLED display like this. I guess that's it for our first impressions and hands-on of the ASUS Vivobook GO 15 OLED. I'm really sorry for my voice. This Computex 2023, but yeah, That's it for this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in our YouTube channel. So once again, I'm JamJamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in our next video.